طيب، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، وأسعد الله أوقاتكم بكل خير. These are the compressors that we actually supposed to be covered in practically, but the problem is that, as you know, with the COVID-19 virus spreading here and there, we couldn't have the time, or we don't have the privilege actually to explain these things in practical. So these are the equipments that we will be covering throughout the semester. We'll try to explain to you one by one. For example, this is a loop compressor. This is a two-stage reciprocating compressor. You can see the filter over here. This is the first cylinder. That's the first cylinder, or the first stage and second stage. Flywheel. This is a three-stage reciprocating compressor. Inshallah, I will try to do my best to cover it as much as possible. As I used to say, I just wanted to get as much information about these equipments, how to open them, how to operate them, how to do the maintenance on them, and so on. These for the first 4 or 5 weeks, we will be only covering this type of compressor. This twin cylinder single stage reciprocating compressor is totally different. This is totally different than the one over there, which is a two-stage reciprocating compressor. Or that one is a three-stage reciprocating compressor. That one, the long one with the long neck, that we call it also a two-stage reciprocating compressor. So I will try to cover as much as I can from these experiment. We will open them. Maybe I will try to open them by myself, and then I will show you some videos. And if we have some time, we might later do it or I would ask you to do it. Now, these are the reciprocating compressor, a single stage. This is the on and off, we call it, because it has some kind of automatic system. When the pressure reaches to its limit, it shuts down. When they are depressurized or the pressure is less than it's supposed to be, then they will restart again. You will see, you have seen this one in many of car workshops and so on. So we'll try to cover them as much as possible. This is a hermetic pump. That is a turbocharger. We will study also the turbocharger and the difference between supercharger and turbocharger. Inshallah, together, that is a closed sealed compressor, just like in your car, and you're also in ACs and so on, in home also. So you also know the difference between semi-hermetic, fully closed or fully sealed, and the open type that you can see in the back. This is also considered as a single stage reciprocating compressor.